Hi friends, I am Nabina Chakraborty. I passed out of school in 2012 and since then I've been doing a lot of things. Since after school I went to Ferguson College Pune where I did my graduation in BA Sociology, and after that I was interested in filmmaking. Therefore I went to Delhi to AJ Kidwai Mass Communication and Research Center, where I did my masters in mass communication for 2 years. After that, I wanted to work with some documentary filmmakers. So yeah, that's what I did after that. I worked with a documentary filmmaker in Delhi, and the good news is this year that film got selected to Cannes International Film Festival. After that, I didn't want to stop myself. I wanted to explore. I went and did a small project in Jharkhand just before the COVID hit, and after the COVID, I came to Bangalore, which is where I am right now. And here I work with this institute called Indian Institute for Human Settlements, and I work with their media lab, and I do a lot of things over here. I shoot, I photograph, I edit, I write, I do a lot of things over here, which is very exciting. So when Aarti teacher told me to, tell me what was school's contribution to my success, to what I am today, I think, isn't everything that we do a contribution of school in somehow? The English that I speak right now, the way I think, the way I stand, the way I speak to you guys right now, everything is so much, I would say, belongs to what I learned from school. So I just can't think of one specific thing, but if you had to ask me about one specific thing of which I learned from school, was that the school taught me to listen, and I think that is one very important value that a school can impart on you. I learned how to listen to others. I learned how to empathize with others. More than sympathy, I learned how to empathize with others. And I think it's the most brilliant quality that any school can impart on you, be it any of the teachers, be it the other staff. I really thank each of them today for what I am, whatever I am doing. People say that filmmaking, it's not a career for girls, it's not a career for people from small town, but I think it is the stories that we from small towns have to say is now what people across the world want to listen. So if anyone is slightly interested in exploring, in having fun, in traveling, so please get into filmmaking or any of the creative fields. Please pursue different career choices, and there is a lot out there in the world that you can look for. And if you guys want any help, do reach out to me, and best wishes. Bye.